Within next 5 seconds you guys are going to see how it looks when your mobile's camera gets hacked, when hackers seek into your system or mobile phone with just one single click. So that's it. There we go, guys. You can see the picture that is currently being taken from my testing environment from my camera, and you can see that how efficiently it just took the picture with just one click. And not only the picture, you can see IP address, the browser, and all the other stuff. So that's how it works, guys. You can see my hand right now. I have placed on the camera just to tell you guys that it is currently being recorded, so images are being automatically saved. This is amazing, guys. This is wonderful. You can see all the things. Hello everyone, welcome to Cybertech. Today I can assure you, I can bet you that after watching this video you guys will be amazed. I'm sharing you with one of the best ever open source OSINT efficient software that I came through, and I thought I should share it with you guys. So I'm talking about Seeker, the most efficient over OSINT in the OSINT world. So guys, without wasting your time, just let me tell you a brief about this software. This software is actually open source software, OSINT, and you can install it in your Kali Linux and you can use it. It is free of cost, and right now I am demonstrating it for educational purpose only. So within a few seconds I'm going to start and I'm going to teach you actually how it works and how you can download the software, from where you can download it, and how you can install it. So let's get started, guys. First of all, you need to open your Kali Linux browser. I'm using Firefox, and just type there Storm Breaker GitHub, and you can get it from GitHub repository. It is free of cost, and you don't have to pay anything, and you can get everything. Believe me, guys, once you start using on your own, specifically for the cyber geeks, they can get a lot of things from here for reconnaissance purpose. So first of all, click on the first link and the white hat one, and it is being opening. After that I will explain you guys how you can install it in your Linux environment. So guys, simply this is a Storm Breaker. Just scroll down and you will see that there would be whole command things, and you're seeing default username password here, admin. I will explain you each and everything step by step. I will tell you where to put these username and password. Then we have dependencies, PHP, Python, Git, and ngrok. I have already made ngrok video. I will give a link in description. You can guys check how to port forwarding, because if you are going to use it in your local network, then you definitely don't need port forwarding. But yes, if you're at home and you want to try it outside of your home, definitely you're gonna need it. So this is the git clone, guys. Just copy it, and I'm going to open new terminal, just sudo su. This is used for to give you administrator rights. So just paste here what we have already copied, and then we will see how it works. I'm going to opt directory where I keep my most of the softwares. Okay, then here I'll simply paste the copied command, and now it is going to do some magic, right? Yes, it is cloning the whole thing, and you will see that once everything is being installed, and we will see how exactly it works and how we can learn from this kind of things. So stay with me, guys. It is being downloaded. Okay, the software has been downloaded. Now we need to move into the directory of Storm Breaker. So just copy cd space storm space breaker. It will get us in the current directory where our software is installed. So we have moved to that directory. Now what we need to do is we just simply need to install with the bash script. So we're going to copy sudo bash install.sh, and simply what it will do, basically, guys, it's just gonna execute the file. It will be executed in a minute, and there we go. It's started working. Okay, it's connecting, and we'll see that how it is going to install the software and how we can then use it. Okay, guys, so installation's been completed, but just 2 or 3 steps we are going to perform. So we need to perform this one, the requirements.txt. It is actually going to install with pip. You don't need to remember all of these commands. I will provide you in description box so that it will be easy for you, or otherwise you can go to the website that I just told you guys and you can just copy from there and then paste. Then we are going to do this. We're actually going to run the show now with Python 3 st.py. Actually this script runs with Python, so that's why there is extension of Python. So guys, there we go, boom, we have started the Storm Breaker. As you can see, Storm Breaker is good to go, guys, and it is telling us that it is running on localhost 2525 is the port, and we are going to use ngrok in order to forward this port. So what I'm gonna do is right now I'm gonna configure ngrok, and we're gonna just write http and then space and then port 2525. You have to configure it separately in your device. If you don't find ngrok, don't worry, I will tell you guys. I will give the link in the description, so just for your easiness, so that you can find it there, and you can follow the steps, and it will tell you how to configure ngrok. Ngrok is a very powerful tool, guys. It is very, very important. If you don't want to spend any kind of money, you've gotta just use this tool for 2 hours. It's 1 hour and 59 minutes. That's for educational purpose. That is enough, guys. So what I'm gonna do right now is I have run the ngrok, and now I'll start with the Storm Breaker. And now we just need to copy this https and this ngrok.io, and we need to actually paste that in our browser. So just you can copy the link address, and then you can paste in the browser, or directly you can open the link. So I'm opening the link, guys, right now. So what actually it is doing, it is just opening the dashboard, and from there on we will enter our credentials, which when I was installing this software I told you guys how to do that. So the username is admin, and the password is also admin, and okay, it's having some kind of problem. Let me just refresh the system, and then we can again go with the stuff. So I think I'm gonna need ngrok again. So what I will simply do is I will configure ngrok, and I will get back to you guys. Alright, so I have configured ngrok. I stopped the video because I have already made video very comprehensive on ngrok installation, so you guys can go in description and check that how to do that. So for now on, what we need to do is we are going to simply copy this link, and we are going to paste that in our browser, and we are going to open our dashboard where we are gonna paste our credentials. Credentials means username and password. Okay, now we need to click on visit this site. It is telling us about ngrok. So there we go. We have dashboard. So I'm gonna write the username and as admin, and password admin as well. Later on you guys can change the password and username. So there we go, guys. Now actually the results will be showing there in the box, and we can see camera, the first copy app. Then we can use camera. If you are going to open mobile's camera, then you need to copy that script. And if you're going to use microphone, you want to listen someone over his mobile's microphone without being him noticing, you can go for the second step, and then coming towards third one near you. Actually what it is going to do is it is just going to pretend like it is going to find you nearby people, but actually what it's going to do is it is going to catch the coordinates and then tell you the exact location wherever the person is standing. Yes guys, you heard me, I said exact location. I'm not talking about BTS location or just city name or something like that. No, it is the pinpoint location, guys, within 200 meter. That is very specific being an OSINT. So then we have normal data and we have weather. We will be checking one by one, guys. So let's get started with the camera. I have just copied the link, and now simply what we are gonna do is just imagine for a moment that I'm opening WhatsApp web because I'm going to perform this in out of my virtual environment, because in virtual environment camera is not going to support. So I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so what I did is I just simply copy this link for the camera and paste it in WhatsApp, and then I opened another WhatsApp in another system. So what it's gonna do is it is just going to open the camera directly, because if I don't do that, VM is not going to open the camera. We need to test that in a real environment. So let's suppose that you have someone just sent you a link, a random link, saying that your pictures have been copied, or stuff like that, like your pictures are shared over Facebook, and this is the link you need to click to see your family pictures. So this link actually is what it is going to do is it is going to just get the permission of your camera, and it will start capturing without you noticing unless you do not close this extension or this browser. So I have simply pasted the link, and let's see what it's gonna do. And we are back in the results section. Okay, here you need to click on visit site, because it will, if you want to just bypass this, you can bypass, but you will have to spend a little bit of money by obtaining your own domain. Yes, hosting and domain. And there we go, we have just clicked on and we have given the permission, and you can see the IP address, and it is telling me that the victim is using Windows 10 and it is using Chrome browser. And now it also tells me about the resolution of the system. So there we go, guys. Image file have been saved. Okay, let's just open it and see what it captured. Boom, it has captured my LCD and then the little bit of my laptop's overview. So guys, this is amazing. This is the real-time camera hacking that I'm telling you. And again, be very careful whenever you use such kind of tools, because it is just for educational purpose, just to teach you guys how hacking works. You can see my hand right there, and then we are moving ahead, and we're seeing that it is actually automatically capturing the pictures. On other side, you can see your victim side, no pop-up, nothing, no notification, but the pictures are being captured every now and then. You can see, guys, this is believe me or not, this is amazing, and you're gonna love it when you're gonna use it. If you're a cybersecurity geek, I would must recommend you go ahead, install Kali Linux. If you don't know how to install, just watch my other videos. And now you can see the directory where the images are being automatically saved. In a minute we will run into directory and we will see how it works. But for now, let's get started with another action. We are going to now access the microphone. This is amazing, guys, because you're not even putting even a single penny, and you're getting a lot of stuff with this Storm Breaker tool. So I have just clicked, guys, and the audio files have been saved. I think it's just like 5 seconds or 10 seconds automatic capturing, and it will be saving it into your system. It will be bringing back in your C and C command and control. So in a minute we'll be seeing that in our directory we need to go to the directory where we can find our stuff placed. So guys, I'm going into the file system, and then we'll be looking into OPT. I believe it will be saved there. So let's head back and select OPT, and then we will see that where our images and all the other stuff is residing. So guys, you can see all the images that have been taken automatically are saved, and this is the audio files that I took, but I don't think so it's gonna run, yes, because I don't have the relevant media player that can play this kind of audio files. So guys, the idea was just to tell you guys how it works, and you have seen it, and you'll be pretty much amazed I mean how it works. Must go for this one, guys, and must check it. If you are new into the cybersecurity, even if you are expert, I would recommend you just to go with that and try it. It will be boosting up your it will be motivating you. So coming towards a third one, now we are going to check the location, and we are gonna see that what kind of location it is giving us. So I just copied and pasted that specific link which we copied from our dashboard. So stay with me guys, it is going to perform some kind of magic. Believe me, it is not less than magic. Okay, so what it is, it just gave me error. No problem, we're again gonna paste this link, and we're gonna see that how exactly it brings us to the coordinates. Just click on visit site, and then we'll be seeing that what kind of location it is giving us. Like other softwares, it is just giving us the BTS location or coordinates, and it is just pop up, you click on OK, and it is telling that coming soon, the software is coming soon, meet new people, make new friends. But actually what it is doing is, on back end, it is just saving the current location of the person, and you can see Google Map link. So what I'm gonna do is right away I'm gonna click on open link, so that I can tell you guys how it works, and we can just see the exact location of the person. Okay, since I am virtually available in Netherlands, and I'm using VPN of Netherlands, so you guys can see exact coordinates. And even if you want to try, just go ahead and install that in Kali Linux, and you will see that you can try on your own network, on with your own mobile phone, and you will be amazed that it will exactly tell you where you are sitting right now currently. So that's all from my side guys. I'll be bringing other stuff with for you guys. If you really like my videos, if you think that it is helping you to understand cybersecurity, then I would say that go ahead and just subscribe and like my video, so that it will help me, it will motivate me actually to bring other stuff for you guys, and to just to keep you guys updated. So thank you very much guys, have a nice day.